Dear students, you have learned factorization method and completing the square method to solve quadratic equations. Now, another method to solve quadratic equations is by using quadratic formula. Now, let us derive quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. You know that general formula for quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Now, let us solve this equation by completing the square method. The first step is you have to remove the coefficient of x square. To remove the coefficient of x square, you have to divide the whole equation by a, because coefficient of x square here is a. So, divide by a, then the equation becomes ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0. Ax square by a is x square plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0 by a, that is 0. Now, after that we have to take constant term to the right hand side, that is x square plus bx by a is equal to, when we take c by a to the right hand side, that becomes minus c by a. So, now we have to express x square plus bx by a in the form of square. X square plus bx by a can be expressed in the form of square as x plus coefficient of x is b by a here. So, write the numerator as it is, double the denominator, denominator is a. So, double the denominator, that becomes 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a. Now, we have written x square plus bx by a in the form of square, that is x square plus bx by a is equal to x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square, and in the right hand side minus c by a. Now, x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square by 2a whole square is 4a square is equal to minus c by a. Now, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a. Now, take minus b square by 4a square to the right hand side, that becomes plus b square by 4a square. Now, the next step is take the LCM of right hand side, that is in the first fraction we have minus c by a, and in the second one we have b square by 4a square. So, the first fraction we have to multiply by 4a to the denominator to make it 4a square, multiply with same term to the right hand side, that is x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c into 4a is 4ac divided by 4a square plus b square by 4a square. Now, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, here 4a square is the common denominator. So, write here 4a square, and in the numerator we have minus 4ac plus b square. Therefore, x plus b by 2a is equal to square root of minus 4ac plus b square divided by 4a square. Now, x plus b by 2a is equal to square root of minus 4ac plus b square divided by square root of 4a square is square root of 4 is 2, square root of a square is a. Now, x is equal to, here square root of minus 4ac by plus b square divided by 4a square can be plus or minus square root of minus 4ac plus b square by 2a. So, x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4ac plus b square by 2a. When we take plus b by 2a to the right hand side, that becomes minus b by 2a. So, x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4ac plus b square minus b, the common denominator is 2a. In both the fractions we have 2a. This is called quadratic formula. I will rearrange this formula like this: x is equal to, I will write minus b in the beginning, minus b, then plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is called quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is called quadratic formula. This can be used to find the value of x for any quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, remember this formula to solve the quadratic equations. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.